Diseases of red gram or PGNP. First disease is wilt. Wilt is caused by Fusarium udum. In which crop growth stages wilt is caused in red gram? In early crop growth stages, in 4 to 6 weeks old crop, wilt is caused in red gram or PGNP up to flowering stage or podding stage. From initial stage up to flowering or podding stage. Write about some damage symptoms caused by wilt causing fungi, Fusarium udum. Gradual withering and drying of plants, brown discoloration in the vascular bundles of plants, drooping of plants and partial wilting of plants. So partial wilting is caused in which type of plant in red gram or PGNP? Partial wilting is caused in wilt disease. What do you mean by partial wilting? In which disease of red gram partial wilting is occurred? Partial wilting of side of stem and root system. Only one side of stem and root system is wilted. This is called the partial wilting. Wilt of red gram. Partial wilting is occurred in the disease wilt of red gram or PGNP. What are the disease etiologies in case of wilt of red gram? The disease etiologies are septate mycelium, macro and microconidia, chlamydospores. Three types of disease etiologies are there in the wilt of red gram: septate mycelium, macro and microconidia, and chlamydospores. How many types of conidia can be formed as pathogen inoculum in wilt of red gram? What are these? Two types: macroconidia and microconidia. Color of macroconidia is hyaline. It is thin-walled, linear, curved or fusoid. This is the shape. Have 3 to 4 septa. How many septations are present in the macroconidia of wilt causing fungi in red gram or chickpea? 3 to 4 septate. Microconidia is small. It is also hyaline in color. Shape is elliptical or curved. It is single-celled or two-celled. Single or two-celled. Write some characteristics of the macro and microconidia. Write some characters of mycelium of wilt causing fungi. Mycelium is also hyaline in color. It is septate. Mycelium are two types, septate and non-septate. It is septate mycelium. Write some characteristics of chlamydospores produced by wilt causing fungi of red gram. Chlamydospores are terminal or intercalary, occurred singly or in 2 to 3 chains. Chlamydospores are soil-borne. So chlamydospores can be terminal or intercalary. These are occurred singly or in 2 to 3 chains. These are soil-borne. What are the disease epidemiologies or favorable conditions for development of wilt causing fungi of PGNP? Soil temperature should be 17 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Continuous cultivation of red gram on the same field or monoculture of red gram are the disease epidemiologies. What is the source of survival of wilt causing fungi of red gram? Source of survival is infected stubbles in the soil. Source of survival. What are the primary and secondary sources of spread of wilt causing fungi of red gram? Primary source of spread is soil-borne chlamydospores and infected seeds. Soil-borne chlamydospores and infected seeds, and a secondary source of spread is irrigation water and implements used in the cultivation of red gram or chickpea. The management practices. Two types of management practices are there. First is cultural control and second is chemical control. Under the cultural control, crop rotation with tobacco, mixed cropping with sorghum in field, use resistant varieties, avoid monoculture or successive continuous cultivation of red gram on the same field. Under chemical control, seed treatment before sowing with Trichoderma viride at the rate 4 gram per kg of seeds, 106 CFU per gram. Crop rotation of red gram or PGNP with tobacco will reduce the incidence of wilt disease, and also mixed cropping of PGNP or red gram with sorghum will also reduce. And seed treatment with Trichoderma viride at the rate 4 gram per kg of seeds. For how many time chlamydospores produced by the wilt causing fungi of red gram can remain viable in the soil? For 8 to 20 years, chlamydospores produced by the wilt causing fungi of red gram can remain in the soil. Mention some resistant varieties of PGNP or red gram against wilt disease. The resistant varieties are Sharad, Maruti, Jawhar, Pusa 9, Narendra 1, Arhar, Birsa 1, Arhar 1, C11, Malviya Arhar 1. Red gram is rotated with which crop to reduce the disease, wilt disease infection? Tobacco. And mixed cropping with sorghum. How many septations are formed in wilt disease causing fungi? Mycelium of red gram, 3 to 4 septa. Next disease of red gram or chickpea is powdery mildew. Powdery mildew is caused by Levi-Lula torica. It is an intercellular fungi. Intercellular. It absorbs plant nutrition by Hostoria. So Levi-Lula torica is an intercellular fungi. It absorbs plant nutrition by Hostoria. Damage symptoms are white powdery fungal growth of mass present on the leaf surface. In severe infection, premature shredding of leaves, plants remain barren or plants remain without the leaves. Ascospores and Clistothecia first infect the lowermost leaves near the soil level. So ascospores or Clistothecia first infect the lowermost leaves near the soil level. Etiologies are, first is conidiophores. Conidiophores arise through stomata. Color of conidiophores is hyaline, non-septate conidiophores. Long, slender, rarely branched, bear one single conidium at the tip. Conidiophores arise through stomata. Color is hyaline, non-septate. Bear one single conidium at the tip. Conidiophores can produce conidia. Second is Clistothecia. Third is asci. Asci produce ascospores. Three types of etiologies. First is conidiophores that produce conidia. Second is Clistothecia, and third is asci that produce ascospores. Disease epidemiologies or favorable conditions: dry and humid weather after the rainfall. Dry, humid weather after rainfall. Disease cycle: primary spread or primary survival of pathogen in the soil by Clistothecia and ascospores, and secondary spread is by airborne conidia. Primary spread is by Clistothecia and ascospores in the soil, and secondary spread in the air by airborne conidia. Management: only chemical control. You can spray carbendazim at the rate 500 gram per hectare or wettable sulfur at the rate 2 kg per hectare. Interval or this you can spray at the disease initiation, and interval or repetition of spraying is 15 days. Carbendazim at the rate 500 gram per hectare or wettable sulfur at the rate 2 kg per hectare. Interval is 15 days at the disease initiation. The third disease of Bengal gram or chickpea is the stem blight. Stem blight is caused by Phytophthora drexleri, forma specialis cajani. Damage symptoms: purple to brown necrotic lesions on the basal and aerial parts of stem. These necrotic lesions are initially small and smooth, but later they are enlarged and slightly depressed. Infected bark become brown. Infected tissues become soft. This leads to whole plant dies or whole plant collapse. Center of spots. Center of the spots are brown and hard. These spots increase in size and cover the lamina. These spots can cause drying of plants. Etiologies: three types of etiologies. First is mycelium. Mycelium color is hyaline and mycelium is sinusitic. Sporangiophores. Sporangiophores produce sporangia. Sporangia shape is ovate or pyriform. Sporangiophores color is also hyaline. It bears sporangium. One sporangium produces 10 to 20 zoospores. So sporangiophores bear sporangium. One sporangium produces 8 to 20 zoospores. Sporangiophores produce sporangia. Shape is ovate or elliptical. Then oospores. Third etiology is the oospores. Fungi survives as oospores in soil and plant debris. Primary infection spread by the oospores and secondary spread by the zoospores. Zoospores produced from the sporangia. or sporangium. Zoospores are spread by rain splash and irrigation water. Management practices, two types of management practices. First is chemical control and second is cultural. Chemical control: seed treatment with metalaxyl 6 gram per kg of seeds or spray metalaxyl at the rate 500 gram per hectare. Cultural is early sowing of crop, early sowing of Bengal gram or chickpea. The fourth disease is dry root rot. Dry root rot occurs in both young seedlings and grown up plants. Dry root rot is caused by Rhizoctonia bataticola. Rhizoctonia bataticola survives as sclerotia in the soils and dead host debris. Damage symptoms: reddish brown discoloration of the infected seedlings at the collar region. Reddish brown discoloration of infected seedlings at the collar region. Yellowing of lower leaves, premature defoliation of lower leaves, shredding of bark at the collar region. So yellowing of lower leaves, premature defoliation of lower leaves, shredding of bark at the collar region. Three types of etiologies are there. First is hyphae, color is dark brown, filamentous. Constrictions at the hyphae are at hyphal branches at the junction with main hyphae. Second etiology is sclerotia. Color of sclerotia is jet black, smooth or hard, minute shape is globose, diameter of sclerotia 110 to 130 micrometer. So color of hyphae is dark brown, color of sclerotia is jet black, diameter of sclerotia in the case of collar rot. In the case of dry root rot of Bengal gram or chickpea, 110 to 130 micrometer. This is present in the shredded barks and root tissues. This sclerotia is present in the shredded barks and root tissues. The third etiology is conidia or pycnidiospores. These pycnidiospores produce pycnidia. Pycnidia is dark brown in color and have osteols or is osteolated. Color of pycnidiospores are hyaline. Shape is ellipsoid or ovoid, single celled. So third etiology is conidia or pycnidiospores. Pycnidiospores can produce pycnidia that are dark brown in color and have osteols or is osteolated. The color of pycnidiospores is hyaline and shape is ellipsoid or ovoid, single celled. Epidemiology: prolonged drought after irrigation and high temperature. Temperature is 28 degree to 35 degrees Celsius. This is the disease epidemiologies. Primary spread of disease by seed and soil, and secondary spread of disease by airborne conidia. Seed and soil. Management practices: cultural: apply heavy doses of farmyard manure or green manure at the rate 10 tons per hectare or neem cake at the rate 150 kg per hectare. Chemical control: seed treatment with carbendazim or thiram at the rate 2 gram per kg of seeds or pellet the seeds with trichoderma viridi at the rate 4 gram per kg of seeds, 106 CFU per gram. Pellet the seeds. Neem cake at the rate 150 kg per hectare. Sexual stage of dry root rot causing fungi of Bengal gram or chickpea is Macrophomina fasciolina. This is the sexual stage. So in the case of green manure, in the case of the green manure crop that is used in the cultural management practice to reduce the dry root rot of Bengal gram or chickpea, we can use Gliricidia maculata. Gliricidia maculata is used as the green manure crop. It is applied as the green manure. The fifth disease of Bengal gram or chickpea is sterility mosaic. Sterility mosaic disease by PGNP sterility mosaic virus. PGNP sterility mosaic virus. Damage symptoms: bushy plants, pale green plants, stunted plants, excessive vegetative growth of plants, then prominent mosaic on leaves, reduced leaf size. The three main symptoms, damage symptoms caused by the sterility mosaic virus in the Bengal gram or chickpea are: first is the severe mosaic and sterility, second is mild mosaic and partial sterility, and third is chlorotic ring spot without this sterility. Three main symptoms in the case of sterility mosaic virus: first is severe mosaic and sterility, second is mild mosaic and partial sterility, and third is, it is the minimum symptom, chlorotic ring spot without sterility. Sterility mosaic virus. It is the PGNP sterility mosaic virus. Vector of PGNP sterility mosaic virus is PGNP mite or Acharia cajani. So Acharia cajani or PGNP mite is the vector of PGNP sterility mosaic virus. Then the management practices of PGNP sterility mosaic virus that cause sterility mosaic disease in Bengal gram or chipki. First is cultural. Rogging of infected plants up to 40 days after the sowing. Rogging in which stage? 40 days after sowing. Grow resistant genotypes or resistant cultivars like ICP 7035, ICP 6997, VR3, ICP 7198, ICP 8861, Purple 1, DA11, DA32, Bahar, BSMR 235, PR 5149 and Bhavani Sagar 1. Purple 1, ICP, Bahar, DA, BSMR, PR, Bhavani Sagar 1. Under the chemical practice, spray monocrotophos at the rate 500 ml per hectare or Finaz-Queen, new insecticide at the rate 1 ml per liter after the disease initiation. Spraying interval of spraying repetition 15 days. Monocrotophos at the rate 500 ml per hectare or Finaz-Queen at the rate 1 ml per hectare after the disease initiation. Spray interval or repetition 15 days.